Magandang umaga po ang ating MVP, our Secgen, our VP na tatlo, our Attorney General, our Tribunal Officer, and lahat po na nandito sa second presidential table. Mga kuya at ate, also friends of Eagle, good morning. Of course, ang ating Attorney Dasil, our Majority Floor Leader. Good morning po sa inyong lahat, mga kuya at ate. As we gather today for the 45th founding anniversary and the 44th Assembly and second regular session, I am filled with pride and gratitude in what we've accomplished together, and gratitude for your solid dedication to our cause. Look around, mga kuya at ate. We are brothers and sisters from every corner of our beautiful country, united by one common goal and purpose. In the short 6 months since I took this office as your national president, I have the privilege of meeting Eagles from all walks of life, from bustling street of Metro Manila to the serene shores of Mindanao, and even across the seas of our brothers and sisters abroad. I've listened to your stories, shared in your challenges, and been inspired by our work, by rock-solid commitment to our Eagle principles. This journey, we're just around shaking hands and taking pictures. They were about understanding the pulse of our organization, about reconnecting with our roots. Tingnan po natin mga kuya at ate. From the beginning, we start 1979. Why? Kung saan tayo nagsimula, yung mga nauna nating mga naging national president, naging officers of our organization. What is the reason behind why the fraternal order of Eagles Philippine Eagles Incorporated was created? And what is the reason? Mga kuya at ate ko, ano ang dahilan? Because of the graft and corruption practices that was done experienced from their former organization. Kaya po nagawa ko nila itong ating the fraternal order. Now let us continue with this good work, with these good deeds. Yung pangarap ng mga nauna nating mga national president, yung pangarap ng mga nauna nating mga members ng ating fraternal order of Eagles Philippine Eagles, we need to continue, mga kuya at ate ko. And the most importantly about uniting us all under the banner of service through our guiding principle, service through strong brotherhood. Unity, mga kuya at ate, is the cornerstone of 8-point agenda. Ito po yung ating, that is one of my 8-point agenda during my campaign period. It what give us strength, what make us more than just a socio-civic organization. We are family, bound by our shared and values, and also our commitment to our country, to our Filipino people, and the most important, to all brothers and sisters of the fraternal order of Eagles Philippine Eagles Incorporated. Let us share with progress we made on our 8-point agenda. in less than 6 months. We've just not just dreamed. We've acted. Ginawa mo natin. With your help. Mga kuya at ate, hindi ko po magagawa itong ating ginagawa ngayon na improvement ng ating organization without you. Tayo po lahat yan. That is our accomplishment. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. First of our synergized organization, we put system and process in place that are streamlining our operation. Tingnan niyo po ngayon, those who doesn't yet visit our office, please, we are inviting you to come and visit our office. Meron na po tayong office for the Vice VP, we have the VP for Luzon, we have the Triple D, the RGL. Bisitahin niyo po ang ating opisina. Are they perfect? Not yet. But we continue to learn the improvement, adapting and growing stronger, which is passing day. Mga kuya at ate, kung mayroon po kayong mga suggestion to improve our organization, you are very much welcome. Kasi hindi po natin nakikita yung nasa likod natin, hindi po nakikita kung ano yung nasa pangarap natin for the improvement of our organization. Please, come into our office, submit any proposal for the betterment of our organization. Third, our organization structuring. We've set up new offices and commissions to manage our growing operation better. Our crowning achievement is our first ever office building. Not just a structure, but part of our organization. This central hub shows how much we've grown and where we've hidden. It is a place for people to come together, share some ideas, and work towards our goal. Our new headquarters help us work more efficiently and serve our members and officers for our organization and for the betterment of our brotherhood. It is a symbol of our progress and brighter future for the Eagles Cooperative. This new initiative is designed to serve our members, our community, providing support and opportunities for growth within the Eagles family. Fifth, the global expansion. I've had the honor of meeting and greeting newly recruited members as well as the connecting with long-standing Eagles abroad. We've chartered new chapters, embraced new members, and been fully accepted in the communities around the world. Palakpakan po natin yung mga kuya natin na nandito ngayon. Palakpakan na tumayo po yung mga taga Middle East, lahat po from international. Mga kuya, tumayo po kayo. Tayo po kayo, tayo. Yung nandito, meron po dito. Japan, Middle East, Europe. Kuya, palakpakan po natin sila. Nandito sila ngayon to witness this very momentous event. Number 6, the enhanced digitalization. We're harnessing technology, fast-track our process of our IDs, allowing us to do more faster. This is not only make our operations more convenient, but also ensure our records are served and will keep. Dito po natin malalaman ang mga kuya at ate na sila ba ay active o hindi. That's why renewed their club. Please, mga kuya at ate, for the betterment of our fraternity, I hope we need to cooperate each other. And of course, our ongoing commitment to unification. Nandiyan ba si Kuya Barba? Kuya Barbs, nasaan ka? Nasaan? Ayan! Ang ating Kuya Barba. And other more, we are encouraging to join us. mga kuya at ate, wag po tayong yung isip natin, wag po tayo doon sa papel. Naniniwala, mamaya ang ating Attorney General will explain to you properly kung sino at totoo na legit at hindi legit. The new released Philippine Eagles Constitution of 2024, we have renewed guide to bring us all back together, to inspire, and to lead us forward. Nandito na mamaya ang ating Kuya Attorney Dasel, siya po magpapaliwanag for the approval of our Constitution and bylaws for the Eagle year 2024. I know there's a big challenges among us. Tandaan niyo po, ang sabi nga nila, ang puno ng hitik sa bunga. Tandaan niyo po, ito po ay binabato, ito po ay pinupukol. Bakit po? Kasi po, alam nila na tayo, itong grupo natin, itong administrasyon natin, kahit anong gawin nila, dahil tayo nagkakaisa, para tayong mga walis thinking, na kahit anong gawin nila, hindi nila tayo mababali, mga kuya at ate ko. Varying opinions, disagreement, perhaps even conflict, but today I want to remind you something crucial, regardless of our individual perspective. We are all Eagles. We are all committed to liberty, truth, and justice. And I would like to appeal to all our assemblymen for the approval of our Constitution and bylaws, which is kahapon, the RGL is already agreed upon. But this is the right time na kailangan. Again, we need to unite for the betterment of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated. The challenges our country faces are great, but so our determination. There are still communities that need our help. Still Filipinos who are waiting for the touch of an eagle's kindness. Tandaan niyo po, tayong mga agila, tayong lumilipad, ang sabi ko nga, palagi yan sa aking speech. Noong panahon ng matandang Marcos, ang sabi niya, ang kabataan, ang pag-asa ng, but this time, ang agila, ang pag-asa ng bayan! So I ask every one of us, we will soar high. We will prepare to spread our wings wider than ever before. We are committed to stand united as we unbreakable flock in service of our beloved Philippines, ang ating bansang Pilipinas. Let's leave this assembly with renewed passion and unshakable unity. Let's return to our communities and show them what we truly mean to be an Eagle family. To be selfless, to be compassionate, to be forceful, for compatible changes. Kailangan natin, palagi kong sinasabi yan, kailan at sino ang pupwede gagawa ng tamang pagbabago para sa bansang Pilipinas? Mga kuya at ate ko. Remember, every time we launch a medical mission, every time we undertake humanitarian services, every time we support community in need, we're not just helping individuals, we're building more compassionate Philippines, one act of a kind at a time. Together, mga kuya at ate, Ito yung lagi kong